Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. BTC ETH trade lower on profit taking. RBI to use different technologies for CBDC pilots before finalizing one for final launch. Binance to sell rest of FTX token holdings as Alameda CEO defends firm's financial condition. Solana SOL spiked 15% on a suggestive tweet from Google Cloud. Solana NFT sales surge 170% as Y00TS completes delayed rollout. Friktion provides institutional clients with under-collateralized crypto lending. Circle is bringing EuroCoin to Solana in first half of 2023. CBDCs could reduce FX transaction speeds to 10 seconds, NY Fed says. SEC charges Trade Coin Club founding members with operating a $295 million Ponzi scheme. Helium building out mobile network, plans to give free trials to Solana phone users. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrency markets were trading down on Monday morning trade due to profit taking after a recent spikes reported by stocks of companies associated with cryptocurrencies like Coinbase and Block, which gained on better than expected earnings. In the past 24 hours, 68,103 traders were liquidated, the total liquidations coming in at $116.44 million according to CoinGlass data. When traders or short-term investors buy near the lower range and manage to make big profits, they engage in a profit-taking event by liquidating their positions to lock in gains after it has significantly increased. Bitcoin was trading at $21,000, down 1.1%, while Ether fell 2% to trade at $1,584 level. Both BTC and Ethereum have witnessed profit-taking near resistance levels of $21,000 and $1,600 respectively. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was down 1.8% at 31,700 points. The Reserve Bank of India, which began the pilot for the central bank digital currency for the wholesale segment earlier this week, will explore all the options for the technology behind the digital rupee and its pilots before settling down on the technology to be used for full launch. Technology will be only announced after the pilots complete. Different pilots have been planned for different technologies, an RBI official said. Ever since the RBI announced the launch of the pilot for the CBDC, the biggest question on everyone's mind is if it would deploy a conventional, centrally controlled database or distributed ledger technology-based infrastructure or a hybrid infrastructure. However, the official said that both the technologies will be tested and carefully evaluated for their suitability in accordance with India's requirements. We will use multiple technology stacks and whichever works the best will be selected. Some of these pilots may start as late as the first quarter next year, the official added. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted on Sunday that he will sell the remaining FTT tokens held on his books that he took on as part of his exit from Alameda sister company FTX last year. Binance CEO took this decision after it came to light that much of Alameda Research's $14.6 billion assets on balance sheet is the FTT token issued by FTX, another Bankman-Fried company. Zhao did not say how much FTT his firm will sell, but that as part of the cryptocurrency exchange's exit from FTX equity last year, Binance received roughly $2.1 billion worth in the form of BUSD and FTT. Alameda CEO meanwhile tweeted that her trading firm's financial condition is stronger than what was reflected by the balance sheet. She also offered in a reply to the Binance CEO's post to buy his firm's FTT token holdings for $22 each. The Sol native token for Solana increased by about 15% after Google Cloud tagged the blockchain's co-founder in a tweet that hinted at an important disclosure. Google Cloud an hour later, after Sol had leapt, tweeted what this was about. Now that we got your attention, check this out. Google Cloud is running a block producing @Solana validator to participate in and validate the network. Solana, which has yet to live up to the hype of being an industrial-grade blockchain well-suited to modern finance, is undergoing an infrastructure overhaul overseen by Trump Crypto. In October, sales of NFTs on the Solana blockchain fell by 50% following a strong September, which had been aided by the initial launch of the buzzy profile picture project Y00TS. However, if today's early trading is any indication, November could see a return to fervent activity following the delayed unveiling of the Y00TS artwork. Trading volume for NFTs issued on Solana has increased 170% in the last 24 hours compared to the previous period, reaching approximately 229,000 SOL across the market. That's more than $7.5 million in value. So most of that trading revolves around Y00TS, the successor to the popular DeGods project on Solana. Secondary sales of the Y00TS mint T00BS have increased 496% in the last 24 hours with 74,000 SOL, which is approximately $2.46 million worth of trade so far. Friktion, a portfolio management platform based in Solana, has launched a crypto lending product for institutional clients looking for higher yields in the DeFi space. Borrowers will be able to access under-collateralized loans through the company's crypto lending product, according to the company. This loan does not require the borrower to put up collateral equal to or greater than the loan's value. As such, it has the potential to be a capital-efficient form of borrowing. Friktion's crypto lending will provide enhanced lender protection, according to the company. The lending product will be made of tranched pools ranging from the junior to senior tranches. Junior tranches will offer higher annualized yields of 11% to 17% in exchange for protecting senior lenders from loan defaults. Loan pools will also feature a diverse cast of borrowers to reduce counterparty risks. Leaders in the senior pool can earn annualized yields of between 8% and 10%. Circle is bringing EuroCoin to the Solana blockchain and expanding its cross-chain protocol to Solana in the first half of 2023. Circle only launched EuroCoin in June as a European version of its popular stablecoin USDC. EuroCoin functions similarly to US dollar coin but is pegged to the euro rather than the dollar. It is currently active on the Ethereum blockchain. Circle said in a statement that when FTX goes live on Solana, it will include support for the EuroCoin. Circle stated that other decentralized finance protocols have expressed interest in supporting the stablecoin when it launches. According to an experiment conducted by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, central bank digital currencies could reduce foreign exchange transactions from a 2-day process to less than 10 seconds. Project Cedar, a research effort launched by the New York Fed's New York Innovation Center, tested the speed of FX transactions using distributed ledgers, discovering that they could lower the speeds of transaction with multiple participants and observers in a simulated example. According to a brief report published on November 4th, the project intended to research the benefits of wholesale CBDCs. On November 4th, the Securities and Exchange Commission announced that it is charging the founders of a multi-level marketing organization with operating a $295 million crypto Ponzi scheme. Torres Braga, Geoff Paradise, Cleonolani, Akana, Taylor, and Jonathan are being charged by the SEC for their involvement in TradeCoin Club, which raised over 80,000 Bitcoin from over 100,000 investors. Braga, the firm's founder, allegedly misled investors by telling them they could generate daily returns of 0.35% on their crypto using a bot, but instead used the funds to compensate himself, Paradise, Taylor, and Tritold. Nova Labs, the company behind Helium Network and a new crypto-powered cellular service called Helium Mobile, announced that customers of Solana Labs' new Saga phones would receive SIM cards and free trials. According to a press release, Saga phones sold in the United States will receive a 30-day free subscription to Helium Mobile. Solana's flagship Android device, the Saga phone, is tightly integrated with the Solana blockchain. Helium is incentivizing 5G network development by providing mobile tokens to users who deploy 5G hotspots. Well, that's all in today's bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.